I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready. This is my first day at Bright Path Solutions. I hope I can find the right place. Okay, Emma, take a deep breath. You can do this. Hi, I'm Emma. I'm new here. Today is my first day. Could you please tell me where to go? I'm meeting someone from the team. His name is Jack.
Hi, Emma. I'm Jack.
Hi, Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Welcome to Bright Path Solutions.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Don't worry, I'll help you get started.
That's very kind of you.
This is your desk.
Thank you. It looks nice.
You can put your bag here.
Great. Is this computer for me?
Yes, it is. I'll show you how to log in.
Thanks, Jack. I feel better now.
Let me show you around the office.
Thank you. That would help a lot.
The meeting room is here.
Okay, the meeting room is here.
The printer area is over there and the kitchen is down the hall.
Great. I'll try to remember. Jack, where can I print this?
You can print it here.
Do I need a password?
No, not for simple printing.
That's good. I need to print one document.
No problem. I'll show you the steps later.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Today is my first day here.
Emma is joining our team this week.
I'm very happy to meet you all.
If you need anything, Emma, just ask me.
Thank you, Jack. I will.
How is your first day?
It's going well.
I'm glad to hear that.
Everyone is friendly, so I feel more comfortable now.
That's good. The first day can feel a little busy.
Yes, but you're helping me a lot. Thank you. Okay, this is my first task. It looks simple, but I want to do it right. Let me check the file first, then I can start. I hope I don't make a mistake.
First, open this file.
Okay, I opened it.
Good. Then click this button here.
This one?
Yes, that one. After that, choose today's date.
Got it. What should I do next?
Next, save the file with your name.
Sorry, can you explain it again? I'm not sure I understand the last step. Do I save the file first or choose the date first?
No problem. I can explain it again.
Thank you. I just want to make sure.
Sure. First, open this file.
Okay, first I open the file.
Then choose today's date.
Then I choose today's date.
After that, save the file with your name.
Now I understand. Thanks for your patience.
You're welcome. Asking again is completely okay.
Okay, I can do this. First, I open the file. Then I choose today's date. After that, I save it with my name. Let me check each step carefully. Oh no, I made a mistake. This number doesn't look right. Maybe I clicked the wrong cell. It's okay, I just need to fix it. But I'm not sure how. Jack, I'm worried I did something wrong. I changed one number by mistake. I'm sorry. I tried to follow the steps. Can you help me check it?
Of course. Don't worry, Emma. Everyone makes mistakes on the first day.
Really? I feel bad about it.
It's normal. We learn and improve.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Let's fix it together.
Okay, please show me what to do.
Sure. Click here first, then we'll change the number back.
Jack, how can I ask for help politely?
That's a good question.
I don't want to sound rude.
You're not rude. You're learning.
What should I say at work?
You can use simple and polite phrases. You can say, "Could you help me with this?"
Could you help me with this?
Good. That sounds polite and clear.
What else can I say?
You can also say, I'm still learning how this works.
I'm still learning how this works.
Perfect. That helps people understand your situation.
Could you help me with this?
Yes, of course.
Is that polite enough?
Yes, it is. It sounds friendly and professional.
Great. I'll use it when I need help.
Good idea. People usually like to help when you ask clearly.
I'm still learning how this works.
That's great. Keep learning.
It feels better to say it clearly.
Yes, you don't need to know everything on the first day.
Thanks, Jack. I feel more confident now.
You're doing well, Emma. Keep going.
Done. I finished my first task. Let me check it one more time. Everything looks right now. I'm really happy I didn't give up.
Great job, Emma. You did really well.
Thank you, Jack. I was nervous at first.
That's normal. You listened, asked questions, and tried again.
I'm glad I asked for help.
That was the right thing to do.
Thanks for helping me today. I'm getting better. This morning, I felt so nervous. Now I feel more confident. I still have a lot to learn, but I know I can keep improving.
See you tomorrow, Emma.
See you tomorrow, Jack.
You did a great job today.
Thank you. I feel good about my first day.
Have a nice evening.
You too. See you in the morning. Thank you so much, Jack.
You're very welcome, Emma.
You helped me a lot today.
I'm happy to help.
I was nervous this morning, but now I feel better.
That's great to hear. You did great today.
Thank you. That means a lot.
You asked good questions and you didn't give up.
I'm glad I kept trying.
Tomorrow will feel easier.
I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
Let's review some useful sentences from today.
Great. I want to remember them.
First, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Next, you did great today.
You did great today.
Another one is, I appreciate your help.
I appreciate your help.
You can also say, I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
And finally, let me know if you need anything.
Let me know if you need anything.
Let's listen to the story again.
Good idea. I want to practice the useful expressions.
Listen for polite phrases and friendly support.
Okay, I'll listen carefully.
Ready for a quick quiz?
Yes, I'm ready.
What did Emma say to thank Jack?
Was it A, thank you so much, B, I'm sorry, or C, see you tomorrow?
The correct answer is A, thank you so much.
Great! That's a useful phrase for work.
Yes, you can use it when someone helps you.